MDaemon administrators can choose whether to display or hide the Documents folder in MDaemon Webmail. Here's an example of what the Documents folder looks like in MDaemon Webmail. And as an administrator, you can enable or disable this folder on a per domain or per user basis. And I'm going to show you how to do that in MDaemon Remote Administration. So in MDaemon Remote Administration, to disable the Documents folder for an entire domain, we simply go to the Domain Manager located under the main menu in MDaemon Remote Administration. Select the domain for which you would like to hide the Webmail Documents folder, and then click on Edit. Then click on Webmail Settings, as shown here, and then scroll down, and then uncheck the box where it says Enable MDaemon Webmail Documents folder to hide that folder, and be sure to hit Apply to save your changes. To hide the MDaemon Webmail Documents folder for an individual user, we simply go to the Account Manager, select the account for which you would like to hide the Documents folder, and then click on Edit, then click on Settings, and then once again go down here to where it says Enable MDaemon Webmail Documents folder, and simply uncheck this box, and again be sure to apply your changes. So now as an end user, you can see that the Documents folder was previously visible, but if I refresh my screen, the Documents folder is now gone.